Earnings are upon us. Amazon, Apple, the big dogs of the big dogs are all reporting. Apple's the really the major one that got slammed today. We're looking at Amazon right now. I'm starting off with the daily. We're going to get into the live chart right now. Um, you know, but first we have to give credit to what the Bulls did today. I mean, an absolute amazing day. At one point, it didn't seem like the Bears could even, buy a downtick, right? Like just nothing was working. It would just barely come into support and then just new high, and then barely come into support and new high. Um, you whatever, right? I mean, there was a little bit of a pullback at the end of the day, was to kind of be expected as we were going into these earnings, a little bit of profit taking for sure. But as we're looking at Amazon here, so we gapped up over yesterday's high here. We got over the 150 simple day moving average, and we first time closing over the 200-day moving average in a very, very long time here. Um, uh, the last time we were over the 200-day moving average on Amazon was back last year in March. So almost 9, 10, 11 months ago was the last time that Amazon's price action was trading over the 200-day moving average. That's very significant. That's very, very bullish. But what we need to talk about is how are the earnings reactions going to kind of play out, right? How is this miss on Apple going to affect the market? Apple's heavily weighted in the SPY as well as the NASDAQ 100. Apple can definitely either hold a market up or drag a market down. So we need to kind of see how that's going to play out. Another thing that we want to kind of see here is what do they decide to do with Amazon, right? So if we kind of look at Amazon's lows from today, from the gap up, it's 108.84, and we're currently trading below that. So we gave back all of today's gains on those earnings, and we've got a gap to be filled into 106.50. We've got our next rising support at 104. Healthy for the Bulls, yes. If we do pull back into all of these fanned out SMAs, our 5 is over the 10, 10 is over the 20, 20 is over the 50. Bullish, bullish, bullish. I know that some people are not going to like it if we go, have a red day, but this is trading. If you're going to cry about one red day or about a pullback into support, you need more screen time. Now that doesn't mean that the market's not going to put in another leg down. I will start to look for that extensive leg down if things like Amazon start losing their 50-day moving average, which is sitting at $92. If we do lose $92, then yes, we're going to have more room to the bottom. $88, $73. Those are price targets that, maybe you think we can't hit, but you won't know that until we lose a 50-day moving average. So last time we lost a 50-day moving average, we went down very, very significantly. As of right now, I'm still bullish overall on the market sentiment. Okay, what I am bearish on is short term. Short term, I think we do need a pullback. Short term, I think we need a rest. Short term, I think we need to test support. And in that short term time frame, I am going to be looking to short through previous day's lows and some of these stocks earnings lows. That's what I'm going to be looking to do. If you guys want to get access to the chat in real time so you guys can trade with myself and the team, make sure you guys go to Discord, join. It's free to join. If you guys want to learn my strategies, get the courses and stuff, yeah, you guys can go to evolutiontraders.com. They can help you out over there. But very, very bullish. Also, been trading a lot of futures. Haven't been trading a lot of futures, but I'm going to start trading a lot of futures again, right? So this month has just been so red hot for the Bulls that the options account that I trade in, where I trade my options on my personal account, has just been exploding. So I haven't really needed to trade futures all too much. But if we do go into a pullback or we get some type of breath here, I'm going to be trading a lot more futures. I am funded with Top Step. That's my prop firm that I trade for, U.S. based out of Chicago Central Standard Time. Great firm to kind of work with there. But just kind of looking at what's going on here, I think this is a short-term top. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, that's fine. I'm happy if I'm wrong because I already know where I'm looking to get long on Amazon. I'll be looking to get long on Amazon over today's highs, 114. It's very, very simple. This is not rocket science. This is technical analysis. Look at the chart, analyze the data, and react to whatever the price action is doing. Control your emotions, and you will make it in this game a very, very long time. But being that we lost today's lows and we have support sitting down here at 104, 105, I will look to short into this move here and then take my profits into support and then see what we do there. If we decide to lose another level of demand, well, then I'll play it to the next level of demand. If we start reclaiming levels of supply, I will play them to the next level of supply. So just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on Amazon and how we're looking. But other than that, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. If you guys want to trade with us, make sure to come down, ask questions. That's the main thing, especially if you're new. Last thing you want to do is be going at it alone and having to guess. Ask other traders who do this, ask other traders their opinion, get some technical analysis training or coaching or mindset coaching. And it'll really go a long way. Invest in yourselves. That's the main thing you have to do, is really, dial in, hone in on your craft, invest in yourself, take care of your body, get outside, get sun, walk, eat right, drink enough water. All of these things play a factor when it comes to trading. If you do not think that eating healthy and drinking enough water and getting exercise is going to, affect your mental stability when it comes to trading, you're crazy. You're going to lose a lot of money. You have to be clear, like they said, right? And what is it? What did he say in Wolf of Wall Street? Got to be clear between the ears, baby. I mean, if you're not clear between the ears, you're definitely going to have a hard time in this game. So make sure, you guys take care of your mentals first, right? That's first. Our health comes first, and the money and the trading comes second, right? Obviously, depending on if you're single or married, obviously, family and children and spouses are all going to be at the top of the list before work, right? So health, family, spouse, pets, animals, household, trading, so forth and so forth, right? It's not the other way around. A lot of people put trading at the top, and then their whole life, down below is basket case, right? Don't be a basket case, because if you are, you're going to come in and you're going to get slapped every day. And then you're going to come in again, you're going to get slapped every day. And you're going to be wondering why you're the only one losing money and everyone's making money. Well, because everyone else is taking care of the foundation, right? You're just worried about the top. So if you have no foundation at the bottom and you're just focused on everything here up top, everything's going to come crashing down. Build a solid base, invest in yourself, invest in your health, invest in your training, in your coaching, invest in your education. That's very, very key. I don't mean go to college. If you would like to go to college, go to college. But what I'm saying is, if you're going to take this serious, invest in your education. If you don't know, right? If you don't know, you have no idea what you're doing. Again, got off on a tangent there. Amazon earnings. We're going to short Amazon through today's earnings lows. We're looking to play into the daily support, 5-day moving average 104.78. That's the price target. I'll catch you guys all tomorrow.